The Overlord. Execution. The Overlord of Novus is now publicly executing any known resistors. The regime has sent out a holomark drafting volunteers to help carry out the sentence. You have been selected. So during this turn, every draw community card that is placed on the board must kill another card on the board from the same community color if possible. Each player will choose what card to kill during that turn. The end of turn card doesn't trigger anything. So let's assume that this is the board setup and it's my turn. I will select the 2 and I'm going to move this 6+1, this 7+1, and this 4+1 to complete my movements. However, we're going to draw 3 cards. So as I draw them, I draw the 7, I kill a red card on the board. Then I draw the second one, I then kill a brown card on the board. Then I draw a third one, and there are no grays, I just bypass the kill. So that is the ideal scenario. And say I have the end of turn card, this card would not kill. So that would be a perfect execution.